Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll show you the step-by-step process to effortlessly flip an image in Google Docs. Flipping an image may seem like a small task, but it can make a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your work. Whether you need to mirror an image, create a reflection effect, or simply change the orientation, we've got you covered. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Google Docs does not have a direct option to flip images in the document. However, you can use the drawing tool to achieve this effect. Here's how it's done. Click on the image on Google Docs that you want to rotate. You will see a sub-menu appear on the bottom. Click on Image Options, which is the 3 vertical dots. Click on All Image Options. Under the Rotate field, click the 90-degree option to rotate your image until it is flipped. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more helpful tutorials, tips, and tricks, please consider subscribing to our channel.